Ever wondered how to make money from YouTube and the internet? Well, you're not alone. In recent years, the idea of earning a living online has skyrocketed in popularity. YouTube, in particular, has become a hotbed for entrepreneurial spirits, offering potential income and freedom. Imagine waking up, grabbing a cup of coffee, and making money in your pajamas. Sounds tempting, right? Well, it's not just a dream. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of turning your YouTube channel into a money-making machine. First things first, you need a YouTube channel. It's like your personal stage on the world's largest video platform. Setting up a YouTube channel? Easy peasy. You'll need a Google account, and with a few simple clicks, you're up and running. But here's where it gets interesting. Choosing your channel's theme or niche isn't a decision to be made lightly. It's like choosing your favorite ice cream flavor in a world full of options. But remember, just like you wouldn't pick a flavor you don't enjoy, your channel's theme should align with your interests and skills. Are you a travel junkie, a tech enthusiast, or maybe you're a whiz in the kitchen? Whatever your passion, let it inform your channel's theme. This will not only make creating content more enjoyable, but also help you stay motivated and consistent. Remember, your channel should reflect your passion, as this will help you stay motivated and consistent. Now that you have your channel set up, it's time to start creating content. And folks, let's just be clear. We're not just talking about any content, we're talking about high-quality, riveting stuff that will keep your viewers coming back for more. In the world of YouTube, quality is not only queen, she's the entire royal court. So what does quality content look like? Imagine walking into a movie theater. You wouldn't want to watch a dimly lit film with mumbled dialogue, right? The same goes for your YouTube videos. Good lighting and clear audio are your best friends. They can transform a mediocre video into a cinematic masterpiece. And let's not forget about the magic of editing. A well-edited video can make your content more engaging and easier to digest. But we're missing a crucial piece of the puzzle. What's the point of creating a dazzling video if no one clicks on it? That's where engaging thumbnails and catchy titles come into play. Think of them as the movie poster outside the theater. They need to be attractive and intriguing enough to make people want to watch your video. And remember, content creation isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time to hone your skills and create videos that provide value to your viewers. So don't be disheartened if your first few videos aren't perfect. Keep learning, keep improving, and most importantly, keep creating. Quality content is king, so invest time and effort in creating videos that your audience will love. Once you start creating quality content, the next step is to grow your audience. Now picture this. You've just baked the tastiest batch of cookies, but if you don't tell anyone about it, who's going to come for a bite? The same principle applies to your YouTube channel. Firstly, let's talk about social media promotion. It's like your personal megaphone, reaching out to potential viewers. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, use them to your advantage. Tease upcoming videos, share behind-the-scenes moments, and engage in trending conversations. Next, consider collaborations. You know the saying, 2 heads are better than one? Well, 2 YouTubers can reach more people than one. Collaborate with creators who share your audience's interests. This cross-pollination can introduce your channel to a whole new set of viewers. Now, on to engagement. Your viewers aren't just numbers on a screen, they're real people. Engage with them. Respond to comments, ask for their opinions, make them feel valued. This will not only boost your visibility but also build a community around your content. Lastly, let's talk about consistency and patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your YouTube audience. Stick to a regular upload schedule and be patient. With time, you'll see a snowball effect, with each video drawing in more viewers than the last. Growing an audience takes time, but with consistency and engagement, you'll see your subscriber count rise. Alright, now that you've built an audience, it's time to start making money. And no, we're not talking about selling your grandma's secret cookie recipe. There are several ways to monetize your YouTube channel. First up, AdSense. This is the most straightforward way to earn revenue. Once your channel is approved, ads will be displayed on your videos and you'll get a cut from the ad revenue. But remember, AdSense is like a first date. Don't expect too much too soon. Next, sponsorships. Companies are always looking for channels to promote their products. It's like having your own personal billboard, only much cooler. But be careful not to turn your channel into a 24/7 commercial. Then there's merchandise sales. If you've got a catchy slogan or a cool logo, why not slap it on a t-shirt or a coffee mug? Just make sure that the merchandise is something your audience will actually want to buy. No one needs another pair of socks, trust me. Finally, crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon allow your fans to support you directly, usually in exchange for exclusive content or experiences. Think of it as a tip jar for the internet. And let's not forget the YouTube Partner Program. This program offers additional earning opportunities, but it comes with its own set of requirements, so make sure you've read the fine print. Monetizing your channel can provide a significant income, but remember, it's important to maintain your authenticity and always provide value to your viewers. Making money on YouTube and the internet is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Remember, folks, this isn't about overnight fame and fortune. It's about building something meaningful, something that resonates with people. You've got to start by setting up your channel right, making it inviting and easy to navigate. But it doesn't stop there. You've got to bring your creativity to the table, crafting quality content that stands out from the crowd. It's about being passionate, authentic, and dedicated to your craft. And then there's the audience. Growing an audience is like tending a garden. It takes time, care, and a whole lot of patience. Engage with your viewers, make them feel valued, and they'll keep coming back for more. Finally, let's not forget about monetization strategies. From ads to merchandise, there's a whole world of opportunities out there. With persistence, creativity, and a bit of business savvy, you can turn your YouTube channel into a profitable venture. So what are you waiting for? Start your YouTube journey today.